Hi, this is the OPPO A38 and I'll show you how to scan QR codes with our device help. So let's first open the control panel and you should find here now the QR code icon. Just tap on it to open. Click to open camera while using the app. And now we should place our QR code inside of this frame. So just wait a second. You could tap also to the shutter button to directly open the QR code link, and we could see that this is the Wikipedia article. So be sure that you connect it also to the internet, to mobile data or to the Wi-Fi to open it directly. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.